Just using this, the old container. This is recycle. I don't waste any container. I'm using it, and it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna disturb her, so let me just put it like that. All right, I'm gonna deposit all my alocasia. I'm gonna move this kind. I'm gonna give you guys the updates, all this alocasia. All right, yeah. Water, but look at her. She's giving me here. She'll be fine. And this is her baby. And get her water. Bone dry. So dry. I don't know why. Look like I did feed her last week though. I water her. Telling the weather in Atlanta unpredictable. Telling you. I am telling you. I am telling you. Look at her. It's gonna be challenging. It's gonna be challenging. She grows while, she grow back beautiful. Because look like she's really get infested with bugs. I'm gonna just cut them. Don't you forget about her. The gorgeous girl. I burned. Yeah, look at this. I burn also. She stays outside as usual, as I told you guys. Don't you forget about me, mommy. She has like 1, 2. I cut 2 yellow leaves because, as I said, my plants they live outside, back patio and the front patio in my house, and was not paying attention again. She'll be fine. You know that already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around, baby. This is what I'm talking about. It's just a little bit burned. See how pretty she is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 alocasia. I was thinking I have 7. I have 9 alocasia collection. This is the rescue alocasia. But I'm gonna cut this yellow. I never like yellow leaves, you know what I mean. Alright, show me mommy, I'm here. I'm doing pretty good. And this, I'm gonna just give her soil, I guess, another mix.